Today we are making lemon herb oil at home. This recipe is quick, simple, and adds fresh flavor to any dish. Let's get started. You will need 1 cup of grapeseed oil, zest of 5 lemons, 1 extra lemon for finishing, 1 bay leaf, and a small bunch of fresh cilantro. Start by washing and drying your lemons. Then, zest 5 lemons using a fine grater. Make sure to avoid the white part because it tastes bitter. Next, roughly chop your cilantro. Now, add the grapeseed oil, lemon zest, bay leaf, and cilantro to a small saucepan. Turn the heat to low and let it warm gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not let it boil. You want a slow infusion, not frying. Once the oil smells fragrant, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. After it's cool, strain the oil into a clean jar using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Now add the zest from 1 lemon directly into the jar, then pour the strained oil over it. These steps keeps the flavor bright and fresh. Give it a stir, close the jar, and store it in the fridge. Use it within 1 to 2 weeks. Now, how do you use it? Drizzle it over fish, vegetable, rice, or chicken. Add a spoon to soup right before serving. Even a small amount makes a big difference. This is an easy way to add fresh flavor without extra work. If you try it, tell me what you pair it with. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.